Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. I've got big news and I cannot wait to show you this brand new cute mini album design. This one I will actually be teaching in my second ever in-person class on March 21st, 2026. I am so excited. We had a blast last time and I'll leave all the event details down in the description for you. We will be creating this cute little book together, and when you reserve your seat, you will actually get the brand new kitchen collection right here that I hand watercolored. It comes with a sticker sheet, front and back, different phrases, and then a 6-pack of pre-cut recipe cards, and then your wonderful 80-pound design papers here with elements on the back. So super cute. You also get a 1 free month voucher, so access to all my classes for an entire month, and of course the cut list for this particular project. All of these things will be waiting at your table for you. It was a completely unforgettable experience meeting everyone in person. As you know, I do a lot of online teaching, so it was so much fun. I've got cute little elements from the elements page there, and I fussy cut these leaves out, a cute little measuring spoon, and then I doodled my own little arrow here, and I stuck it right there on the top. I popped this up off some dimensional foam tape and just simply applied this white cardstock on top of this cute plaid paper that I watercolored. Love the fork, knife, and spoon. This actually came out of the sticker sheet here, and I ripped some papers and doodled just a slight bit. More of that plaid paper right here on the side. This is gonna come together in one day. There's gonna be time for me to chat with everybody, and I can't wait to just sit down with you, learn more about you, meet you, and even see you again. So right here on the front inside cover, I've got a cute little photo mat, a couple of these little stickers, and some little tuckers on the top and bottom. I fussy cut that out of the paper line there, as well as these cute little pieces down here for some flour and sugar. I got these cute little photo corners actually from Hobby Lobby. I thought that added just a nice little touch of texture there from the garden. Cute little spoon there. And then you get the 6 recipe cards with the collection, so I thought this was super fun. I'll be decorating with this paper, but again, you can bring any paper it is that you want for the event. This is a BYOS class, so bring your own supplies. And again, all the details of the event page will be linked below. And this book design will be a non-beginner class, just to ensure that the flow of the classroom goes well and we can complete this book together. We are gonna have an absolute blast. I cannot believe it. Those just tuck right back in there, and then I have like a hidden pocket on this particular panel here for another recipe card spot and a small photo. Homemade is the best made. And then right here on the back, a beautiful uncropped 4x6 photo can go right there. It'll be beautifully matted by the white cardstock and the black, or whatever base color you decide to use for your book. Our kitchen is the heart of our home. I just stuck that cute little sticker from the collection there. And none of the stickers actually repeat, so over 60 phrases. And I had a lot of fun coming up with them and typing them all out. This gets tucked right back inside there, and I created my own little tab actually just by fussy cutting it out and eyeballing it. But you can of course use any tab punch you want. This actually is a cute little strip on the side of this little flap here. I love to cook. Just want to get a little cute close up here. Look how fun. I just had so much fun watercoloring this paper and designing this book. This one will come together in one day. I know for a fact we will get into the design paper and the decorating together in class, so I'm super looking forward to that. Little bakery right here. Another little spray of leaves right there. And a cute little rubber spatula, and then a nice 4x6 photo spot right here, and this is a wallet size back here. And then on the back inside cover, we've got this fantastic 5-page waterfall. And of course you can add more in these pockets than I have. I've got one right behind these waterfalls right here, and a cute little set the table sticker with some bowls, and then another little recipe card. These are actually removable, so if anybody wanted to actually doodle on the back or add a cute little photo, I decided to stick these cute little photo corners there for added versatility. I thought that was adorable. You can even put like extra notes on the back of that recipe card, however you want to do it. If you haven't seen this collection yet, I'll leave it as a link in the description if you wanted to pick one up for yourself. And I love this. I've got a cute little cluster right here. I created a faux little belly band just as a little anchor point right there. And I've got bon appetit. Cute little spatula, hearts, and a nice potted plant. And then on the inside of here, we've got more space for removable recipe cards right there. And then I put the word stir and then a cute little spoon. Serving size equals 1 pie with some little measuring cups right there. And I love this cute wallpaper page. I don't know why I keep calling it that, but I just love it. And again, these are removable. You can even put another photo here if you wanted to take advantage of that, or stick the photo of your food or your kitchen adventures inside there on the back of the recipe card, or for more notes. Mix right here with a cute little whisk. Flips up again, sprinkled with love with these cute little, could either be salt and pepper or whatever your imagination wants that to be inside those cute little spice jars. And again, right here, another recipe card and then right on the back base of this pocket here, need with a cute little rolling pin. And this is what we will be making in the in-person class. I cannot wait to see you again, and I cannot wait to meet you. We're gonna have lunch, snacks, time together, and there's actually going to be, if you wanted to include yourself in it, a podcast conversation. I would love to get to know you more, and I'm really looking forward to that too, if you end up sticking around for the next day. So Saturday, March 21st, 2026, I'll be teaching in Central Valley, California, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and I'll see you in class. Bye.